Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute cow. So let's start. First, draw a big fat oval shape. Draw it like this, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now draw the cow's head. Draw a half circle like this. Well done, it's looking very great. Now draw the cow's ear. Draw a curved line and make it like a mountain. Now draw a line inside it. Good job! Now draw the other ear. Do the same thing, and make it like a mountain. Draw the line, and it's done. Look how good it's looking. Now draw the cow's horn. Make a long curved line, and it's done. Well done! Now draw the other horn also. It's looking very great. Now draw the cow's body. First, draw a big curved line, like this. Now draw a line on the side. Make the end curvy. Good job! Now draw the other side, just like this. Make the end curvy. Lastly, connect both sides with a curved line, and it's done. Now draw the cow's hands. Draw it like the leg, and it's done. Now draw the other side also. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now draw the cow's eye. Draw a half circle, like this. Then draw another circle inside, and slowly fill the color. Good job! It's looking very nice. Now draw the other eye, just like this. First, draw a half circle, then draw another circle inside, and slowly fill the color. Look, we drew the cow's eyes. Now draw the cow's cute smile. Draw a curved line, then make it like this. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Draw the tongue inside the mouth, and it's done. Lastly, draw a circle like this, and make the nose. Good job! We've completed the drawing. So let's color it. First, use light pink color, and color the cow's face. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. If you color the outline, then you will not make any mistakes. Now slowly and carefully fill the color. Make sure not to color the mouth. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, it's looking very great! Now let's color the cow's ears. Color the lower part, like this. Well done! Now color the other ear also. Lastly, color the cow's stomach. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job! It's looking very beautiful. Now use red color and color the cow's tongue. Well done! Now use brown color and color the horns. Color carefully and color only the horns. Good job! Now color inside the cow's mouth. Color like me and look how cute it's looking. Now use gray color and make some black spots. First, draw one on the head like this, then fill the color. Now draw another spot and fill the color. Good job! Now draw some spots on the cow's body. Draw some spots on the hand. Then draw some spots on the body. Just follow me and look how great it's looking. Lastly, draw a spot on the cow's eye, like this, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now let's make some shadow. First, draw a line on the mouth like this. Well done! Now draw lines on the ears also. Draw lines on both ears, and it's done. Lastly, draw a curved line on the stomach, and it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now use white color and make the cow shiny. Draw a line on the horn, like this. Now draw a circle on the eye, like this. Good job! Now draw a line on the mouth. Good job! Now draw a line on the cow's stomach. Lastly, draw a line on the tongue, and it's done. Good job! We have completed the drawing. Look how cute and beautiful the cow is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.